Hi, I'm Iqbal, and every day people receive emails that looks legitimate but are actually phishing attempts designed to steal credentials, money, or access. Most email systems either silently block these messages or label them as spam without explaining why an email is dangerous. That lacks of transparency leaves users confused and still vulnerable. So on my screen, this is an architecture. PhishGuard is a multi-agent AI architecture. It takes the Gmail and Chrome extension, which I'll show you in the demo, and then on the back end with fast API backend, length graph orchestration does all the multi-agent orchestration behind the scene to find out if the email is phishing or not. So PhishGuard is not a single AI model making these guesses. It's a multi-system AI or architecture with different forms of intelligence work together. So we do protocol level and rule-based intelligence. We use large language models. We use retrieval, augmented generation, and finally, all of these signals are coordinated by an orchestrated layer which applies weighted scores and resolves conflicts between agents. So when PhishGuard flags and emails, it's not just an AI guessing, it's a multiple specialized systems agreeing on risk. And then on data layers, I'm using Postgres SQL Neon Cloud. This is my database. Chrome DB for vectorized database, and external API I'm using Virus Total for virus analysis and threat analysis, even to go further if there is a virus in that email as well. See, and also in an output, I have on the extension, Chrome extension, we can get total scans and total threats, and also the dashboard, which I'm going to show you really soon. So let me go and do some analysis. So let's do maybe this. And okay, so now as it's doing the analysis, the header agents check sender legitimacy and authentication records. The content agent powered by a language model analyzes urgency, manipulation tactics, impersonation signals, and suspicion requests. The link agent inspects URL for typo squattings, suspicion domains, and known malicious patterns. And the threat intelligence agents compares this email against known phishing patterns stored in a vector database. So it came with a score of 45 out of 100. So this email shows multiple suspicion characteristics with a risk of a score of 45 out of 100. So it's suspicious but not dangerous level. And they detected 2 high risk and 6 medium risk. And we can go in details. So with view full analysis takes us to details of on this whole thing as well. So in this, this email shows multiple suspicious characters. So it tells us all the stuff, and we can see it's impersonating a legitimate content delivery service or publisher. High psychological manipulation tactics detected. Pretexting implies a previous request. Social engineering. Suspicion action request detected. Clicking open now without verifying the sender on the embedded link. So this is very interesting. It finded that thing as well. And all the medium link and analysis and low no common DCAM selector was found. Exercise caution with this email. There are some recommendations as well. So let me take you to the dashboard. So at the moment, because I was doing a lot of testing, I've done total 36 scans in my testing. I also created simulated testing as well to test the dangerous emails as well, and also it also detected 18 safe emails. So this is a very beautiful. It shows the average risk score, verdict distribution, threat analysis charts, and agent analysis, the how much intel, header, content, or link it found, and there's an activity metrics as well. And I want to show you one of the anal- uh, risk emails which I've actually did for testing purposes. So this was the email. The subject was unusual activity detected on your PayPal account. We noticed suspicion login attempts on your PayPal account. Your account has been limited until you verify your information. Click here to restore access. And this is the access. If you do not verify within 24 hours, your account will be permanently restricted. So this email exhibits 4 critical security threats and it scores 93 out of 100. It's dangerous level on our risk and assessments. Key concerns include type squatting, impersonation. This strongly indicates a phishing attempt designed to steal your information or credentials. So, in the header, domain mimics PayPal, impersonate PayPal, and URL flag 5 security vendors. High urgency language was detected. Psychological manipulation tactics were detected. Fear, account restriction, permanent restriction. So it does such an amazing job. And it also gives you the recommendation: report this email as phishing to your email provider, delete this email immediately. So it does a very nice good explanation and everything, and gives all the AI agents does a comprehensive analysis if the email is good to read or and open the links or not, or if it's a dangerous email. So if we go into the scans, it tells me all the scans which I have done, either if it's all dangerous or safe. And in the block list, there is also, you can block domains. And this thing I have done because there are certain areas where if a person already know that if this email comes from this particular domain, then they can it would be considered as a dangerous email. So when AI agents actually looking and scanning the email, it can actually highlight that this is an email of which could be a suspicious phishing site or attempt, and they can actually can block it. So PhishGuard is built using Fast API, LangGraph for agent orchestration, a large language model for content analysis, ChromeDB for threat intelligence, and a modern Next.js dashboard. All analysis run in parallel and completes within seconds. PhishGuard doesn't just block phishing, it explains it. It's practical, transparent, and designed for how people actually use email today. And I really want to win this hackathon moonshot. I hope I win it. Thank you for watching.